Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Binance DeFi wallet for staking. I just tap on my Binance account and officially logged in. In dashboard, I will just tap on this more button and I will scroll down and find ETH staking and just tap on it. So how to use a DeFi wallet on Binance. So first is thing that you can just invest in this stake ETH, and after then DeFi protocols will unable to use it, and then you can use it. Otherwise you don't have to stake in ETH, so you don't use your DeFi wallet. So this is. And please note that the Binance DeFi wallet is no longer available. You may use the Binance Web3 wallet to manage your cryptocurrencies, execute token swaps across multiple chains, earn yield, and interact with a variety of blockchain platforms. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.